Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today we're going to be testing out the launch control in my BMW 435. Let's get it. So as you can see here, I kind of got my mask on, trying to stay safe from Corona. Back there in the safe distance, if we have Eric Grand Tour and Unworthy F30, I'll put their information down here so y'all can go follow them on Instagram. Unworthy actually has a YouTube channel. Make sure to go support him as well. Go subscribe, go follow. But as you can see right here, my car is right here, and I'm going to be showing y'all exactly, giving y'all some outside clips, inside clips of how it looks whenever you activate the launch control in the BMW. So let's go ahead and get to it on the inside. All right, y'all, so now we're back inside the car. So what you want to do first to activate the launch control is, what you want to do is put your car into Sport Plus. So down here, we're going to hit this button twice, and then up here, you'll be able to see, boom, we're in Sport Plus mode. All right, dynamic traction control activated. So then we're going to go ahead, hold down the brake. So down here you can kind of see my feet there. Check out the Chuck Taylors. But hold the brake all the way in, and then we want to move the car over to the sport transmission setting, and then we're going to hold the gas, push the gas all the way in. Oh, okay, there it is. Woo! Hey, this thing got up and go. Okay. I gotta do that again. I'm gonna mount the camera so y'all can kind of see exactly what goes on. But I gotta do that again. This is gonna be the last run I'm gonna do. I got the camera set up on the dash so y'all can kind of see the little, if you look right here, you'll see the little flags come up to let you know when it's active, when the launch control is active. So we'll do it one more time. Oh yeah. All right, everyone, so as you saw right there, that's BMW Launch Control, and that's the launch control of my 435. So let's check out these little marks that I made here. So you can kind of see right there. Yeah, I left a little bit. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't too much squilling. Let's walk up here. Yeah. Not too bad, not too bad. Was able to hook up pretty good. It was a little bit of tire spin in the beginning, but it hooked up pretty well. So that's it, man. That's the video for the day. Please, if you like what you saw here, please subscribe, like, comment down below, follow me on Instagram. Make sure to follow my buddies on Instagram, man, and y'all stay safe out there. All right, I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.